Kitchen is where you make things for the ones you love, where you make things out of affection, nourishment, and nutrition. Presenting Kohe, a wide range of kitchen knives, peelers, and other essential products. With a history of expertise in usage, design, and ergonomics, Kohe empowers an individual with smart, durable, and performance LED kitchen tools. So here I am making Coleslaw Sandwich. So I have taken chopped onion, chopped cabbage, chopped capsicum, grated carrot, and finely chopped spring onion along with some finely chopped garlic. For this we need to prepare a sauce. So I am taking 2 tablespoon yogurt, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, some garlic powder, salt and pepper, and mix it well. The sauce is ready. Mix this sauce with veggies and combine everything well. Place this stuffing on bread. After cutting it corners, cut it from the center with the Kohe pizza cutter and serve it right away. Check out the description for more details. Hope you like this video. See you soon guys. Bye bye.